Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Premiumlacewig. I haven't shown you guys a wig from them in quite a minute now. Now this is one of their kinky straight wigs. It is a lace closure wig. I forgot the size of the lace, but I'll tell you guys in just a few. I do have it in 24 inches, 180% density. They are marketing this lace to come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, which I would say I definitely did receive that. I do have a couple of comments regarding the bleaching though, but we'll talk about that in just a few. Also, the hair type is 100% Brazilian virgin hair. Oh, the lace size is a 5x5 lace closure. This wig is meant to be glueless and also very beginner friendly. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing and I'm going to show you guys a close-up of this hair. Now this kinky straight texture, I will say, felt very differently compared to the other kinky straight wigs that I've had. I'm trying to find a proper way to describe it. It feels almost as if you was to have like thick silky hair and you put crimps in it, so there's a part of it that feels unnatural to me. I'm not exactly too sure why, but again, they are saying that it is 100% Brazilian virgin hair, so I'm not too sure what the issue is. It's not like the hair behaved in a way where it didn't feel natural or smelt in a way where it didn't feel natural or anything like that. It just felt a little different compared to other kinky straight wigs that I've had, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. Now again, the lace does come pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. In my personal opinion, the cutting that they did was pretty good. I do feel like the wig could have been plucked a little bit more, and I also feel like the knots could have been bleached a little bit more as well. However, this was a straight out the box wig install. I wanted to show you guys exactly what I received, how I received it, because they are marketing this wig as a Wear&Go wig. So I installed her straight out the box and I did not do anything extra to her. In the future though, I probably will bleach the lace just a tad bit more and definitely do a little bit more plucking just to get it up to my preference. Now, although this wig is meant to be a glueless Wear&Go wig, I am adding a little bit of spray, mostly because the wig cap was just a tad bit big on me. And also, I felt like the lace could have been blended in a lot better. So I'm just dabbing some spray on her and I'll be good to go after that. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm adding a little bit more foundation in the middle part, and I'm actually going in with the lighter foundation this time to kind of give the illusion of scalp. Now this is something that's kind of hard for you guys to see on camera, but I did mention earlier that I do feel like they could have bleached the knots just a little bit better, because in person you kind of do see those black dots a little bit more compared to the other wigs that I've had previously. So again, that's just something I just want to let you guys know. Overall, the lace does look pretty decent. I do just also want to add that they could have plucked a little bit more, just like I said earlier. So this is kind of where I'm talking about, like, it's giving like a regular, you know, bust down wig or whatever, which there's nothing wrong with. It's just that I'm just so used to certain wigs that I receive now that this one kind of is just a little like, you know, she needs a little bit more work, you know. But again, I just wanted to install her regularly and straight out the box just to kind of show you guys what you're going to get. Now, one thing I will say is that this hair straightened beautifully. She was not fazed by the heat at all. Now, normally when I get kinky straight wigs, there is a lot more puffiness to her. I did realize that this wig, although it was texturized, it was still very straight from the beginning without any of the puffiness. So that's kind of what I was going to in the beginning, where it kind of seems like it was a silky straight wig that was chemically processed to be texturized a little bit or something like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's the best way that I can explain it. If you guys go watch any one of my other kinky straight tutorials, you will see the difference between those and this one. However, the hair took to the heat very well. It didn't change colors on me. It didn't smell. I barely had shedding and there was no tangling. And overall, I do think that it does look pretty nice. Alright, we are done with this wig install. Comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Again, all of my notes that I said earlier, I still stand by. I do wish that the bleaching was done a little bit better. I do wish that the plucking was done a little bit better. I also do feel like the wig was a lot thicker on the top, so I did have to keep going in with my wax stick and my flat iron to lay her down. And then again, the texture on this one is nothing like the Kinky straight textures that I've had from other brands in the past, so it kind of threw me off a little bit. But you know, to each his own. Make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box down below. The link will be listed there. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.